Hello viewers! As you have seen in your fight page, many Roblox renters talk about the Great Meme Reset,
saying it is the savior of all memes.
Yeah, nope. The Great Meme Reset is about bringing back the old memes starting in 2026 and removing all the brain rot memes and AI slop. However, it has flaws. Technically, even classic memes like MLGs are brain rot, since brain rot means losing your brain cells from overwatching low-quality or hyper-edited internet content. Edits like these are considered brain rot, even if they are the old classic. Many people have different meme perspective and taste, and you can't change theirs forcefully. At the end, we aren't anyone different, other than Homo sapiens.
Fire in the heart!